Somebody on the I Love My AGA website has asked a question about cleaning spots off the rings on an AGA. So I have a couple of spots. This is my simmering and that's my boiling ring. So I'll not deal with the boiling ring, this just has a bit of carbonized toast, so we'll not worry about that. So equipment, I've got my AGA mitt, I've got a wooden spoon, and I'll turn around slightly. I've got some ice, and I have a microfiber cloth. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put on my AGA mitt. I'm going to pop some ice and then close the lid. And what that will do will generate a lot of steam under the hood. And when I lift the lid, let's see, that has done absolutely nothing. I thought it would have. So, cleaning the inside lid of the AGA. I tried the ice, as you will see in the previous video. The ice didn't work because that's a bit of a burnt on stain. So, a pair of AGA tweed, or what do you call those? Tongs. A Brillo pad, drop of water, and basically rub the inside of the lid with the Brillo pad. It's probably the best way to do it. You obviously don't want to put the plastic part of the tongs on the lid, but that's doing a lovely job. Takes a bit of force, and I've obviously got my microfiber cloth, which is completely damp, just at the side, and that is a particularly stubborn one, but you'll see with a good bit of force my lids are coming up like new, and it does take a bit of pressure, there's no doubt about that. There we go, drop that down. Now, there's quite a bit of water about there. You can use your mitt if you want. It's certainly cleaning up, there's no doubt about that. So I'm going to give it just another bit of a rub, just down here. Now the Brillo pad does leave small scratches on the inside of your lid, but that's okay, it's not going to do it any harm. There, I'm going to leave it at that, and then give that a wipe. Give it a good wipe all the way around there, and don't forget in behind the lid. Now, for those of you that have got a bit of concern about the heat, then use your mitt to tidy up. Now you will find that the Brillo pad can leave a little bit of residue, and you will see that residue forming on the cooker. And that scum has been caused by the Brillo pad. Now it's not a problem at all. My top tip for that, Mr. Muscle kitchen roll and a couple of squirts. Mr. Muscle is absolutely fabulous for dealing with chrome and also for the lid or the boiling plates, and sorry, not the boiling plate, the enamel cover on the AGA, and it brings it up to a wonderful shine. Now I suppose I should be using my mitts, but I've been doing this for 22 years, so I'm pretty au fait with the amount of heat that's involved here, but obviously you do need to take precautions. And then once that's done, we'll run the camera over it, and you can see now how clean Mr. Muscle does, and look, a lovely, sparkly, new, hot ore.